First and last name spelled out, please.
David Athons, A-T-H-O-N-S.
All right, and David, you're in this truck right here. What happened tonight?
I was coming back from San Diego. I think I dozed off for a second. I hit the embankment and flipped the truck.
And can you describe what it was like to be in the car when it was turning around the truck?
It was a scary experience.
Can you describe how many times did you turn? Was it really turbulent and shaky?
Yes, it was very turbulent.
And how long did it take for you to get out?
It took me probably about 2 minutes to get out. Somebody had to help me break the windshield out.
And did the experience happen really fast? Can you talk about, did it seem like everything went slow or fast?
No, it happened very fast.
Really? And, but glad everyone's okay, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, thank you.
All right.